Okay, friends, so let's figure out how to take the average in Sheets. So we know what an average is. You add the numbers up and divide by 3, but it turns out that spreadsheets have their own function. So in cell I3, type equals average. Make sure you spell it right. I often don't. And then just select the 3 numbers over here. So that should be an average of 7 divided by 3, which would be 2 1/3. And Sheets agrees with me, 2 1/3. There you go. So that's what Garnbret's average should be. And then you can just drag that puppy dog all the way down to the bottom, and there are all the averages of the top 8 athletes. And notice the ranks are about the same. Now, it might be a little hard to see, so I'm going to show you another formula in the cells next to it, the ranks of the new scoring formulas. So there's actually a command in spreadsheets called rank, which takes a bunch of numbers and puts them in rank order. So watch this, equals rank, left parentheses. Now, what the syntax of this is, click on the number that you want to rank, then hit comma, and then what I like to do is just grab the entire column. The only thing in that column are those 8 numbers. So that's going to rank that first number amongst all 8, and then you hit a comma, and this is a little bit confusing. You either put a 1 or a 0. I'm going to put a 1 because that ranks them in increasing order, which means the smallest number is going to be a rank of 1. Which we knew that because you can look at those numbers and tell that's the smallest number, and then you can drag them down. Now, if you look at that right there, you can tell right away that the order didn't change much. Garnbret still wins gold, Nonaka still wins silver, and Noguchi still wins bronze. The difference is what happens after 4th place and down, right? So 4th place now moves to Pilz. There's a tie for 5th with Rabbittu and Jalbert, and then there's a tie for 7th, and that's how this function deals with ties. It just gives them both whatever the next place is. So that's a way to find the ranks of a bunch of numbers. And you don't have to do that, of course. You could also just do it by looking at the numbers and ranking them yourself. I mainly wanted you to be able to do the average command that's over here in column I, because you're going to do it again on the men's scores later. Okay, let's keep going.